Hi and welcome to the Fortinet Flex VM provisioning with AWS EC2 instance. In this video, we have a pre-deployed an AWS EC2 instance of FortiGate VM, and we will use Flex VM to license. Let's get to the FortiGate VM instance via SSH session and have it in the background, and let's log in to the FortiCloud portal to configure our license. Now let's log into the FortiCloud and click on Services, Flex VM, Configuration, click on New Configuration. Let's set up the configuration details here. On the name side, we're gonna call it AWS FortiGate, and we select the product type as FortiGate Virtual Machine Service Bundle. We click Next, and then for the configuration setup, we're gonna use 2 CPUs, and then we're using Enterprise for service package, and 0 for virtual domains. Click Next, we review configuration, and then we submit. The next section that we need to configure is the virtual machine entitlement. Click on VM entitlement. The product type will be FortiGate Virtual Service Bundle. We click the previous configuration that we created. The description will be AWS FortiGate. The termination mode, we're going to use user defined. Expiration date will be the end of the month. The number of virtual machines will be 2. And then we click Next. From there, we confirm and we submit, and we have a VM configuration. Now let's go back to the entitlement. Since we created 2 virtual machine instance, we have the 1284 and the 1283. In this demo, we're going to use 1284. This is the license file, which I'm going to copy. And then we go back to our FortiGate instance from AWS. We enter a command called execute space VM dash license, and then we paste the license file, and then we log in to verify to our GUI on the FortiGate to make sure they are confirming license. In this case, we have 1284. Let's just validate to our FortiCloud account. And as you can see, we have 1284 as now active license. Let's dig in more to the 1284 VM entitlement. The license file token has been used. The status of active, termination date is on the end of the month. Thank you for watching.